Hey folks, this Preston here from I Do Stuff Carpentry, and today I'm going to show you a routine problem that I have after using my table saw for so many jobs. I cut everything from composite decking to wood to PVC to vinyl. I cut everything on this table saw, and sometimes my blade gets stuck in the up position and I can't wind it all the way down. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that situation, because 9 times out of 10 you just have buildup in the duct, the exhaust port, where it's stopping the blade from going all the way down. So this is just a little bit of maintenance I'm about to do, because I need to use my table saw now, and I'll show you. Watch me work. All right, so I'm using the 60-volt Max Dewalt table saw. All right, battery powered, yes. So all I need is strong. I've built everything from additions to decks, and it takes all of the work that I can throw at it. As you can see, my blade does not go down. It goes down just a little bit and it stops right there. That's furthest I can take it down. It's not going down anymore. You see, if I go this other way, the blade goes back up. But it only go down so far. It won't disappear into the bottom. So this is how we fix this, right? So I'm going to show you. So what you want to do is first make sure no battery is installed in, or you don't have it plugged in to electricity or anything. This version does not have an electrical port. Hopefully DeWalt comes out with an electrical adapter like it did with the 60-volt Max miter saw, the big miter saw. So this is what you need to do. I'll get this out of the way so you can see better. Take this off. You want to flip it over on this left side where the handle side is up here, and right here, behind here is where your dust shroud is. You want to take these wing nuts, 2 wing nuts, one here, one there. You want to unloosen the wing nut. I've had this thing for literally years, and I may have to clean it out twice a year, especially after I use composite. After I cut composite decking with it, I usually always have to clean it out. So as you can see, I took the plate off. It's sitting there. Make sure you don't lose these, because you need these wing nuts to secure it back to the shroud, back to the cover, back to the table saw. And look at this. Look at all this. See my blade there? And look at all this sawdust and composite decking material. All right. So I'm gonna take all of that out. I'm just gonna throw it out and I'll sweep it up in a minute here.
You know what? This would be a good time to use my Milwaukee blower. And take a trip into the dark van and the dark trailer. I have a battery on here. I do when it has juice.
Trailer builds coming next, so stay tuned. And great tool. I love it. My little Milwaukee, 12 blower works wonders. There is some stuff going in there that I can't really get out with the blower. Let's go in and gingerly clean it out. May need to take a screwdriver or something
It gets built up in there pretty tight, like. Yeah. Get it out of there. Blow it out again.
You also want to do this often too, because once this port here gets clogged up, it's like your blade is working harder and slicing twice, right? So it has to cut through all this debris that's here and cut through the material that's on top that you're cutting for your project. Let's check to see if it goes up and down now. Oh, look at that. It goes down. Disappears into the bottom as it should. There it is, folks. How to clean your the debris and build up out of your 60-volt Max Dewalt table saw. Super easy. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Please add comments. Now respond to them in sequence, hopefully, or as I can get to them. And thanks for watching. Bye.